Hey sweethearts, welcome back to my channel. Many Korean celebrities recently attended the premiere of Hope, and today we're going to take a look at their fashion. Let's see who impressed me the most. First off, let's talk about Hyeri. She showed up in a chic and bossy style. She looked effortlessly elegant in a grey pantsuit consisting of an oversized blazer, wide leg tailored trousers, and white fitted tank top. Her outfit gave off a quite luxury vibe, and I think it was a perfect choice for a movie premiere. Her sleek open hairstyle complemented the look beautifully. I personally loved this outfit, especially as someone who loves boss girl vibes. Even from the videos, you can clearly see how effortlessly and confidently she carried herself. Sometimes it's not just the outfit that makes a look stand out, it's also the confidence of the person wearing it. Next up is hoyeon, and this is actually my favorite look from the event. Usually, we don't see people wearing full leather looks very often because they are not the easiest to pull off, but hoyeon completely nailed it. She opted for a black leather mini shirt dress paired with knee high leather boots featuring chunky soles. The entire outfit looked powerful, bold, and incredibly stylish. Now that's what I call power dressing. I also noticed an interesting styling detail. When the buttons on an outfit are the same color as the outfit itself, they blend into the design instead of standing out. In Hoyon's black outfit, the black button almost disappeared into the fabric, giving the outfit a clean and seamless look. On the other hand, Harry's grey suit has black buttons. Because of the contrast, your eyes naturally go toward the buttons since they don't blend into the outfit. Neither approach is wrong. Designers often use matching buttons for a seamless, understated look, while contrasting buttons are an intentional design choice to add visual interest. Now tell me in the comments which button styling do you prefer, Yeri's contrasting buttons or Hoyeon's matching buttons. Along with Yeri and Hoyeon, Blackpink's Rosé and Jisoo also attended the screening, so let's take a look at their outfits. Starting with Rosé, her look was much more casual but I completely appreciated it. She opted for a black leather crop top paired with blue straight leg jeans, creating a casual luxury aesthetic. Even though it was simple outfit, it still looked fashionable and appropriate for the movie premiere. What's interesting is the contrast between Harry's and Rose's styling. Harry chose a sophisticated grey pantsuit while Rose went with a denim based look. Both outfits suited their personal styles really well. I loved seeing diversity at the same event. Personally, I really liked Rosie's outfit because she combined leather and denim together in such an effortless way. It's not a combination we see all the time, yet it worked perfectly. Now, last but definitely not least, let's talk about Jisoo. She wore a outfit net crop top paired with a black ruffled mini skirt. I don't know if my opinion will match yours or not, but this outfit felt a little underwhelming to me. Maybe it was the design of the skirt, or perhaps the knitted top and skirt didn't blend together as well as I expected. Of course, Jisoo herself looked absolutely beautiful, but personally, I don't think this outfit was a perfect fit for her. And that's all for today's video. Now it's your turn. Which celebrity had your favorite look from the Hope movie premiere? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.